GoliathTech screw piles are installed deep into the ground to solidly support your projects. The installation does not cause major disturbances to the soil like digging or augering. It is anchoring the pile into the ground below the frost line in native compressive soil. This is a far superior alternative to traditional footings. Our screw piles secure your projects with no concrete, no excavation, no soil removal, and no movement. We can install our piles using small equipment with precision in rain, snow, through concrete slabs or rocky soil. Most residential projects can be completely installed within a few hours. Immediately after our piles are installed, construction can begin. This process not only adds significant strength, but saves days to weeks of waiting. No rescheduling and waiting for rain or snow, waiting for it to cure. No fear of rain, sprinklers, and freezing temperatures or extreme heat compromising the integrity of the concrete. No fear the footing will sink or settle due to poor soil. In most cases, you don't even need to wait for a footing inspection. The fears and wait time are eliminated. Just imagine what you can do, the projects that you could complete if you didn't have to wait. This is not too good to be true. It is just excellent engineering with precise installation. You can build with confidence knowing that your structure that has a 25-year warranty is supported by GoliathTech's 30-year warranty. We are your foundation solutions. We are the pillars of your projects. We are GoliathTech.